I'm excited to share to you today my culture, and I think it's just the legends that still prepare their akara this way. Stay tuned with me to see how we make akara in my culture. Hey, this is Bakers, and you're welcome to my channel. So this very day, after doing my laundry, I was still sitting at the place I did my laundry, and I asked, bring beans. So I was graving akara, so I had to wash these beans by myself. I washed it with hand. I made sure I washed it very well, removed all the back. Then I also proceeded to blend these beans by myself. I did not want story. I wanted to do it the real way akara is done. So they didn't add much water there. When I came back, I added into my mortar. Okay, that is how we did akara when I was still young. We have to put it in the mortar. Then we mix very well. Use the mortar to make it fluffy. If you have mixer for cake, the hand one, you can use it for this process. It still works perfect. But I just wanted to show you guys my culture. It's amazing. Then you don't add much water in akara. You minimize the water. If you add much water while frying it, you will not really like it. So when I was sure it was well mixed, I added in water. I added seasoning cubes. Seasoning cubes is optional. I don't even know why I added it. I don't know. Then you add the salt. Be careful with salt. This akara can easily get salty, so I always advise to put salt pinch by pinch. Then you make sure everything is mixed well. When everything is mixed well, you now proceed to adding in your roughly blended pepper and onions into this. Then you mix very well. Make sure it's well mixed. Then you get ready to fry. By this time, you've already started heating up your oil. You're not going to use very hot oil for this. You're going to use medium oil to fry. While choosing oil, choose good oil that doesn't have taste. Always better to use and fry your food. Okay, so we're going to be frying this akara in a medium hot oil. Not too hot, not warm. It allows the akara to be done right inside. So we fry each back. When each back is browned, you turn the other side and you continue turning these till you're sure it's well done. Okay, then you bring out from the oil, you drain oil, and the akara is ready. Okay, when after draining everything, make sure to remove the tiny worms in the oil before we adding another batch of akara. Okay, and everything will be fine. So this is just the simple way to make akara, and that was how my craving was satisfied. So that is that about akara, and you can still do this at the comfort of your home. If you have whisk, you could also use it to make this akara fluffy. Make sure you make it fluffy before frying. Okay, it gives it that fluffy, and then out crunchy outside, and everything comes out very lovely. So this is just all about akara. It's a very easy recipe. You can take this with your pap, your custard, your garri. My best is the local pap to take with this akara. I love it so much, and that is that. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Thank you for your engagement on my videos, on all my videos. I really appreciate, and thank you also for loving and trying out my recipe. Thank you so much. I don't know how to appreciate you. Do check other food recipes on my channel and the description. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the other video.